Hello guys and welcome back. So now from this video onwards we will start working on our granny game. Alright, so for that open up your Unity Hub and then in Unity Hub click on this new project button, and then in here you can select Universal 3D. Then we can download this Universal 3D template. After it is downloaded, let's name this as Granny Mobile. Then we can select a location for it. So I'm gonna store it inside this folder, so I'm gonna select it, and then for Unity organization you can select your own profile or your own name in here, and then we can remove this connect to cloud. Alright, then click on create project, and now in a minute our project will be created and up running, so let's just wait for it. So our project is created as you can see, and now in the next video what we're gonna do is we're gonna add the environment, then the player and the granny character, and after that we're gonna add all the other things which are required, for example the keys, the X, and also the shotgun. So with this done, let's end this video right here.